You wake up before the sun, not because you want to, but because the water might stop running. There's a plastic bucket next to your bed, half full. That's all you have for the day. Drinking, washing, everything. You step outside. The air smells like dust and smoke. Electricity went out again sometime during the night. It happens so often you don't even check anymore. Breakfast isn't a choice. It's whatever is left. Some days it's bread. Some days it's nothing. Globally, more than 700 million people live on less than $1.90 a day. Today, you're one of them. You don't think about the number. You think about hunger, the distance. School is 3 miles away. You walk it. No bus, no ride, just heat, dirt roads, and the same route every day. There's a building at the end of the road. That's your school. 40 students, 1 teacher. Sometimes none. Around the world, 260 million kids don't even get this far. They don't attend school at all. Inside, there are no computers, no air conditioning, sometimes no books. You sit on a broken desk and copy words from a board that was last updated yesterday or last week. You're not learning at the speed of your potential. You're learning at the speed of what's available. And what's available is almost nothing. The trade. At 12 years old, school starts competing with survival. Your family needs money, so you work. Not because you're ambitious, because you're necessary. Around the world, hundreds of millions of children work to support their families instead of studying.
You carry things, sell things, clean things, fix things. Your hands learn faster than your mind ever could. Every hour you work is an hour you fall behind. But falling behind isn't a choice. It's the cost of eating. The limits. Opportunity exists, just not near you. There are no internships here, no networking events, no safety net. If you get sick, there's no guarantee of treatment. If your family loses income, there's no backup. In many developing regions, people lack access to clean water, healthcare, and stable jobs at the same time. Your future isn't decided by talent. It's decided by access. And access is something you were never born with. The pressure. You grow older, so does the weight. You're expected to provide, to support, to survive, not thrive. Globally, millions of young people in developing countries don't finish even primary education and struggle to find stable work. So you take whatever job you can. Low pay, long hours, no security. You don't chase dreams. You chase stability. And stability feels like a luxury. The realization. You look at the world online. Different lives, different rules. People your age talking about passion, purpose, self-discovery. You're thinking about rent, food, survival. The gap isn't just money. It's time. It's opportunity. It's how far you have to climb just to stand where others start.